in $1,480 for the entire month. Not bad. You found just one JV partner, asked them to put a line of code on their site. You made $1,500. Now, you spend the next 90 days aggressively hyper-focused on looking to get a total of 10 JV partners with about the same traffic. So now, you want to find 9 more people to do the same thing that you did with this JV partner. You've got 90 days to do it. So now, after 90 days, you have 10 traffic fusion streams making you $1,480. Results? $14,800 per month. That's over $175,000 per year simply putting your ads on other people's thank you pages. Now, this does not take into account that if you have back-end offers and upsells, which we teach later in Traffic Fusion, that you could have or should have in the future. Now, why not set your goals on 100 JV partners? Why just 10? And bring in over $1 million a year. It can be done. I already do it with just this method. I bring in over $1 million per year, not because I have a list, not because I'm Mike Filsame, not because I do pay-per-click, not because I have search engine optimization, for just one reason, because I have a product and I find a JV partner. That is the only reason. I have a product that complements other people's products, and I find those people and I advertise on their page. Okay? So you have a product, right? Okay? What you do, maybe you go to a seminar. Okay, you got to find your JV partners. You could email people, but I'm giving the example here. You go to the seminar. Now, during the breaks, there you are. You're all alone, and you see these other JV partners around there. And what you want to do is you want to talk to these JV partners, and you want them to work with you. How does this work now? Welcome to the Hyperjava software. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Okay, so let's get started. All right, I'm going to stop this presentation right here. All right, and what we're going to do is I'm going to go and log into Hyperjava. Okay, now you can hear that that music playing, right? Real exciting stuff. Here we go. This is what everybody's been waiting for. Now, as you can see, this is at beta.hyperjava.com. This is the latest version of Hyperjava. Now, this doesn't have all the campaigns that I have in the previous version of Hyperjava because I want to demonstrate the new software that we're putting out there on the web. This stuff is just killer. Now, there's 2 things that you need when you're making an ad for people. You need to design your ad, and I recommend making a thank you page. So let's first take a look at what I did here. I went in and I designed my ad. Okay, special members only offer. Okay, let's say I find a JV partner and I want to put an ad for the Butterfly Marketing Manuscript on that person's Web Audio Plus sales page. All right, somebody that's maybe buying an audio product might be interested in a product that teaches them how to get traffic. Okay, and I'll explain these tags here. So let's say my affiliate's name was Tom Beal. It would automatically fill their name in with these tags. It'll say, "Hi, Tom Beal here. I made special arrangements with Mike Filsame." But if I had the same line of code that I did with, let's say, Jason Dinner, it would automatically fill in Jason's name or all my affiliates. As I start to get more affiliates, it automatically takes care of this for me. And as I change the price here, okay, really what I should do is even this right here. This should say campaign price. Okay, because that way I can change the price on the fly, and this stuff will change at any time. Okay, so here we go. We've designed our ad. All right, and now what I want to do is I also want to design the thank you page. Okay, now this can be uploaded onto a website, right? Because when somebody buys from you, you need to send them to a URL where they can download it. What happens after they buy? They've got to be sent somewhere from PayPal so that they could download the product. So what I'm going to do, instead of loading it on the web, because once you have a thank you page on the web, people can share that thank you page with their friends. They could bookmark it at sites like Delicious. They could pass it around in forums. And now your product is being passed around all over the internet because people are giving away your thank you page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Hyperjava software to give what's called a session-based thank you page, which means it's only good for the person that purchased it after buying Hyperjava. But more on that in just a minute. So let's go create that campaign. So what we're looking at right now is our main dashboard. All right, and these show the different campaigns that we're using. Maybe in another video I'll go over these campaigns. Here's one affiliate that I made, Jason, and I'm going to make another one in here in just a minute. But first, let's create our campaign. Okay, what we're going to do is we are going to click on New Campaign. All right, so what we'll do is we'll call this campaign Butterfly Manuscript JV Special. All right, and the description, we'll just put, I'm just going to copy the same thing here, for JV partners to get offer at 47, blah, 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 right? All right, now here's the nice thing about this. If I'm already using something like One Shopping Cart, Butterfly Marketing, iDev Affiliate, A Member, JV Manager Pro, QuickPay Pro, you name it, any third-party software, even if you've developed it yourself, can be used with this. All right, what I'm going to do, and if you want to sell your product with ClickBank, watch what happens. You see, this automatically asks for the ClickBank ID. If we click on Pay.com, it asks for the Pay.com ID. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Hyperjava's built-in software that automatically handles the payment processor for us, and it also takes care of the affiliates. But you don't have to. You could use Pay.com, ClickBank, or any third party. It works with anything out there, including its own. So let's give it a PayPal product name. Let's call it the Butterfly Marketing Manuscript, or the Butterfly Manuscript Special Offer. Okay? Now the price is going to be $47. And the percentage that I want to pay this affiliate, let's say I want to pay this affiliate 75%. Okay? Now, my default PayPal email address in the system is already in there. It's PayPal at MikeFilsame. And I could just leave it, but I want to override it right now. Okay? And I'm going to put PayPal at PayPal.com. So I could test this a little bit later and show you how the sale actually worked. And PayPal at PayPal.com allows me to make a payment under their developer. I think. I've never done it. I think I can do it, but if not, we'll find out. Now, here's the other important thing. I can put my own thank you custom URL here, right? I could put something like MikeFilsame.com. And then I could put something like BFM discount.html, right? And then I could save this page over at MikeFilsame.com as discount. But I'm not going to do that, all right? What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to use a Hyperjava thank you page. But for right now, I didn't save that thank you page. So for right now, I'm just going to put just some type of placeholder until I save that thank you page. So just bear with me for now. I'm just going to save it like this. Now, here's the interesting thing. All right, I'm not going to get too much into this, but let's say that later somebody wants to buy this Butterfly Marketing Manuscript. Normally sells for $97, and they want to buy it for $47. And then later, I give them an upsell for $997 to buy Butterfly Marketing at a discount. Or maybe I send them an email a couple of days later to buy Butterfly Marketing at a discount or the full price, whatever the case is. My Hyperjava JV partner may say, hey, Mike, I noticed that after you sell the Butterfly Manuscript at a discount for $47, you're selling Butterfly Marketing at $997. Do I get paid on that? You tell them, yes, you do. Because what you can do, and you can have multiple